Today I have a Chevy Silverado and I'm going to show you how to operate the windshield wipers and the windshield washer on this particular Chevy Silverado. I'm going to show you how to turn on the windshield wipers as well as turn them off. I'm going to go through the different modes of the windshield wiper. I'm also going to go over the windshield washer on this particular Chevy Silverado. All right, I'm going to go through all of that. Let's go ahead and get started. But before I get started, if you found my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. So I'm in the vehicle, right? Now, in order to turn on the windshield wipers, what you're going to do is you're going to look through this. You see this lever right here. On this lever, there is a ring right here. This ring is a knob that turns on, operates the windshield wipers. Now, say for instance, you get a little bit of splash on your windshield. What you'll do is you'll go like this and it wipes it once, just like that. See that? It wipes it just once. All right. So it wipes it just once. Now, say for instance, you want to change it into interval mode. You go ahead and take this knob and go a little bit like this, and it increases the interval or decreases the interval the higher you go right here. You see this? It goes a little bit faster and faster and faster and faster. All right, until you get right there. All right, now that's the interval. And then say for instance, you just want it to be on low mode, not interval mode. You'll go here to low. You see that? It is in low mode right there, just like that. If you want to go in high, you just go right there, and that is in high. And to turn it off, you just go ahead and spin it all the way back down. So once you have it in off mode, it is off. But now on, off, on, off, on. Now on to the wiper mode or the washer mode. In order to wash the windshield, you see this button right here. I'll press this and see what happens. It washes the windshield just like that. And when I release it, it stops spraying and it wipes a few more times before it stops. All right, so that is how you operate the windshield wipers as well as the windshield washer on this particular Chevy Silverado. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for washing and wiping and watching. Thanks a lot.